All right, so I ordinarily don't talk in my videos, but I'll make an exception this time because there is little to no information about this exhaust system, at least here in North America. I have a BMW R NineT, and this should fit 2014 to the current 2021. You may want to check on the 21, but I'm pretty sure it should fit. But so this is the Diablo exhaust system 222 by K-Speed. K-Speed is a company out in Thailand, and this exhaust system appears to be popular out there. But so the ordering process is sort of simple, just some extra steps. You can only buy it from K-Speed's website, which ends in .net. I think it's kspeed.net or k-speed.net. And then you'll find the exhaust system there, and then you go through a checkout process. You enter in your address, but you will not be entering a payment information. Instead, you will be emailed within a day or two of an invoice with instructions of how to pay and your total cost, including shipping to your destination. So in my case, he responded within 24 hours. I got two payment options. One was through the bank, which takes a couple of days, and it's a little bit more, I guess, difficult to do that part. Or you can do PayPal, which is the easiest and instant. The only downside with PayPal is that they'll charge you 4.4% of the fee of the total cost, but whatever. So once you do that, they'll ship it out within that same. Mine got shipped out that same day anyway. And it was shipped through DHL. You will get charged duty import fees. Mine was $50. Yours may be less or more, depending, I guess. And I got it in less than a week, so 5 to 6 days. I think I got it in 5 days, pretty quick. It came well packaged, and the header part is all one piece, unlike some other aftermarket exhaust system we have to build it. But this is all one piece, like the factory. And everything was good except for this, I guess, this minor little scuff there. Whatever, I'm not too worried. I'm not too worried about it. But other than that, everything was in pristine condition. So fitment, the header part, it installed right in. You reuse the original nuts there, but it was super easy to put that, and the oxygen sensor there fit just fine. And then the two cones, they slid in fine. Put the springs on there. Everything was perfectly fine. And the main reason why I made this video is because I want people to know that you will receive this triangle here. And this triangle here, I guess, prevents these from shaking, I'm assuming. So they'll provide this, and they'll provide that clamp up there, which is where your old exhaust used to be. And they'll give you two M8 screws. But they won't give you a third one to connect this triangle to the other part there. So I had to go to my home improvement store and get like another M8 bolt. The second issue was that once I was able to use these C-clamps here, I could never get them to line up. And if I got one screw in, this was too far out here. So I had to actually use even a thinner screw. I believe this is an M6, and I used a nut that has a rubber on it to prevent the vibration from, I guess, unscrewing this. And I just like wedged it in there like this. I mean, at one point I think I might have gone a hammer just to get it in. But anyway, so you see it's all ugly and crooked down there. But I mean, it's not going anywhere. Everything is really tight. So I just wanted to point that out. K-Speed, if you're watching, I'm not sure how you put this on, because this comes with no instructions. So, but this here, I'm not sure if it's just a factory defect where it should be slimmer. But there was no other way to put this on without getting like a smarter screw here. So yeah, there's that. So, hope you enjoy the rest of the video, which is just the sound of the exhaust.